Product 1 Ball Bearing Swivel. The 2100 pack ball bearing swivel is a versatile and essential component for anglers in both freshwater and saltwater fishing scenarios. These swivels are designed to provide superior performance when it comes to connecting various fishing tackle elements, such as trolling bait and lures, to the main fishing line. They are constructed from high-quality stainless steel, which ensures durability and corrosion resistance, making them suitable for use in harsh marine environments. The key features and benefits of the 2100 pack ball bearing swivel include ball bearing design. These swivels feature a ball bearing mechanism that allows for smooth and tangle-free rotation. This design reduces line twist and ensures that your bait or lure moves naturally through the water, increasing your chances of attracting fish. Solid rings. The swivels come with solid rings that provide a secure and dependable connection between the main line and the fishing gear. This feature is especially important when dealing with larger or more aggressive fish species. Pack size variety. These swivels are available in packs ranging from 20 to 100 units, catering to the needs of different anglers. Whether you're a casual angler or a dedicated fishing enthusiast, you can choose the pack size that suits your requirements. Stainless steel construction. The use of stainless steel ensures the swivels are resistant to rust and corrosion, extending their lifespan and maintaining their performance over time. Versatile application. The 2100 pack ball bearing swivel can be used in a wide range of fishing applications, including trolling, bait fishing, and lure fishing. Whether you're fishing in freshwater or saltwater, these swivels are designed to handle various conditions. Product 2 PC6 Hooks Luminous Soft Shrimp Fishing Lures. The 2PC6 Hooks Luminous Soft Shrimp Fishing Lures is a specialized fishing tackle product designed to enhance the fishing experience, particularly in low light conditions or when targeting certain species of fish like mackerel. These lures are notable for their unique characteristics, which include luminous properties. The term luminous in the product name suggests that these fishing lures have the ability to glow in the dark. This feature is especially useful when fishing at night or during dawn and dusk, when visibility is limited. The luminous quality can attract fish by mimicking the appearance of bioluminescent prey. Soft shrimp design. The lures are designed to resemble shrimp, which is a common prey for many saltwater fish, including mackerel. The soft and flexible material used in their construction mimics the texture and movement of real shrimp, making them enticing to predatory fish. Multiple hooks. These lures are equipped with 6 hooks, which increases the chances of fish when they strike. Having multiple hooks also makes it suitable for catching species like mackerel, which have a tendency to strike quickly and aggressively. Versatile use. While these lures are marketed with an emphasis on mackerel fishing, they can potentially attract a variety of other saltwater fish species that are attracted to shrimp-like prey. This versatility makes them a valuable addition to a saltwater angler's tackle box. String hooks lure. The mention of string hooks lure suggests that these lures come with a built-in hooking system that is integral to the lure itself. This can make them convenient to use and may enhance their overall effectiveness in hooking and land. Product 3 Product name. Fishing Bucket Folding. Fishing bucket folding refers to a versatile and practical outdoor accessory designed primarily for fishing enthusiasts. This item, often made of durable materials like EVA ethylene vinyl acetate, serves multiple purposes in the world of fishing and outdoor activities. Below is an overview of the key features and benefits of a fishing bucket folding, with a focus on the product mentioned in the provided paragraph. 1. Portable design. The fishing bucket folding is designed to be highly portable and space-saving. It can be easily collapsed or folded into a compact size when not in use. This makes it convenient for anglers and outdoor enthusiasts to carry it along on their fishing trips or camping adventures. 2. Thickening and durability. The product is constructed with thickened materials, often EVA, which enhances its durability and ensures it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. This design feature makes it suitable for carrying live fish, water, or other fishing equipment. Without the primary purposes of a fishing bucket folding is to serve as a live fish storage container. Anglers can place caught fish inside the bucket to keep them alive and fresh until they are ready to be released or transported. 4. Water tank. In addition to its role as a live fish container, this folding bucket can be used as a portable water tank. It is ideal for carrying fresh water for various purposes, such as bait preparation, cleaning fishing gear, or providing water for camping needs. 5. Fishing tackle storage. The folding bucket can also serve as a convenient storage solution for fishing tackle and accessories. Anglers can organize and transport their fishing gear within the bucket, ensuring easy access to essential items while out on the water. 6. Outdoor versatility. Beyond fishing, the fishing bucket folding finds utility in various outdoor activities, including camping, hiking, and boating. Its multifunctional design makes it an essential tool for Product 5. Product name. Fishing rod with solid tip. The fishing rod with solid tip, mentioned in the context of the provided product description, appears to be a specialized type of fishing rod, designed for specific angling purposes. Here's an overview of this type of fishing rod. 1. Purpose and design. A fishing rod with a solid tip is designed with a unique tip section that differs from traditional fishing rods. The solid tip, as opposed to a hollow one, provides specific advantages, making it suitable for various fishing techniques. These rods are typically designed for casting lures, specifically those in the 8 to 25 grams weight range, and are well suited for anglers targeting trout, bass, or jigging. 2. Lure and line compatibility. The description mentions that this rod is designed to handle lures weighing between 8 to 25 grams. This range is ideal for various types of fishing, including freshwater and light saltwater applications. Additionally, it is recommended for use with fishing lines in the 8 to 15 pound. In the context of fishing rods, action refers to how much the rod bends or flexes when pressure is applied to the tip. A fast action rod bends mostly at the tip, allowing for greater sensitivity and quicker hook sets. This can be advantageous when targeting species like bass or trout that require a fast reaction to the strike. 4. Ultralight spinning casting. The rod is described as ultralight, which indicates that it is designed to be lightweight and easy to handle. This is often preferred by anglers who want to minimize fatigue during long fishing sessions. The rod is also mentioned as suitable for both spinning and casting, indicating its versatility and compatibility with different reel types. 5. Targeted species and techniques. The fishing rod with a solid tip is specifically. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.